Welcome. If you're looking to update your Pinterest account password using the Pinterest app on your PC, you've come to the right place. Changing your password is an important step for maintaining your account security, and with the latest update, the process is quick and easy. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC and sign in if you haven't already. Once you are inside, look to the left side menu for the gear icon. That's your gateway to settings. Click on this icon, and you'll be taken to the settings area. Next, within Settings, find and select the option labeled Account Management. This section is where you can update your account details, including your password. When you click on Account Management, you'll see a Change button right next to your password field. Go ahead and click that. Now, it's time to update your password. You'll be prompted to enter your current password first. This is an essential security step to confirm your identity. After entering your old password, type in your new password. Make sure this new password is strong, with a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance your account's security. After that, you'll need to rewrite the new password exactly as you typed it to ensure there are no mistakes. Finally, once you've entered all the information, look for the button that says Change Password and click it. Immediately after, make sure to click Save to apply your changes. That's it. You've successfully changed your Pinterest password using the app on your PC. Remember to use your new password the next time you log in and consider updating it regularly for your account's safety. Thanks for watching.